Alright. So, hi guys, no? So, welcome back sa ating signal spectra and signal processing mock test. So, in this video, no, we're going to solve a problem on the topic discrete time Fourier transform or the DTFT. Okay, no? So let me read the question, guys. Solve for the DTFT of the given discrete time signals. So actually, we have three discrete time signals given here. Okay, and we are asked to solve, no, for the DTFT or the discrete Fourier transform. Okay, so let's begin, guys. Okay, guys, no? So, all right. Yan. So, what would be the solution? Okay, so let's start with the first given, guys. Okay, so the evaluation or how to find the DTFT, okay, yan, we can, uh, usually what we do is we try to find its Z transform, if applicable. Yan. In most cases, applicable, no? Ayan. But we need to check the ROC, no? If it includes the unit circle. So if it includes the unit circle, we'll just replace, no, Z by E raised to J omega. Okay? And then we'll be able to find the corresponding DTFT na. Okay? Sige, let's do it, no, for part A, no? So I will demonstrate what I have just said. Okay, so for part A, so we're asked to solve, no, for the DTFT of given x of n. So sabi raw, guys, no, yung x of n natin is 1/2, okay, raised to mod of n. Okay? So basically when we say 1/2 raised to mod of n, so this is a two-sided signal, right? Kasi yung mod of n, so it can be positive. Pag positive siya, this is u of n. Okay? And kung negative naman siya, so that would be plus. Okay, no? So we have 1/2, okay, raised to negative n naman. Pero since this one is left-sided, no? So this would be u of negative n minus 1. Right? So, bale, this expression is equivalent to 1/2 raised to mod of n. Now, guys, so as we said, no, so we can take the Z transform first, okay, and then check, no, if the ROC includes the unit circle. No, so kung kasali yung unit circle sa ating ROC, then yeah, we will be able to just substitute, no, yung J omega for Z, and that is the DTFT na. Okay? So let's find x of z first. So x of z, no, so this is a simple exercise, no, of using the Z transform. So for the first one, no, so we have 1/2, okay, raised to n u of n. So bale yung gagamitin natin dito na property, okay, or may sorry, not property but rather the Z transform pair is, okay, yung a raised to n, okay, u of n. Yan, no. Ito yung sa una. So alam natin, guys, that its Z transform pair is, okay, so we have uh so Z over Z minus A, or 1 all over, yan, no, 1 minus A Z raised to negative 1, with the ROC that mod of Z is greater than mod of A. No, so in this case, no, so 1/2 tayo. Yan, no, yung first part pa lang itong ginagawa natin, guys, no. So yung 1/2, okay, raised to n, okay, u of n. So definitely, no, what would be its corresponding Z transform? So its Z transform, guys, would be, okay, so gaya lang natin yung formula, 1 over 1 minus 1/2 Z raised to negative 1 with mod of Z greater than 1/2. Okay, greater than 1/2. Okay. Yan. So this is for the first one. Now for the second one, guys. So by the way, no, we can rewrite this actually. So let me rewrite this one. So instead of this one, di ba, 1/2 raised to negative n, we can write it as 2 raised to n, right? 2 raised to n, because yung negative 1, pag pinasok natin sa loob, 1/2 raised to negative 1, that is 2. So this is 2 raised to n, okay, u of negative n minus 1. No, so we will now check, no? Ano naman ang Z transform pair na yon? So we have the Z transform pair, no? So we have negative, okay, a raised to n, u of, ano, guys, negative n minus 1. So ang Z transform niya, kapares nung kanina. This is, ano, no, true for a left-sided signal. So 1 over 1 minus a Z raised to negative 1 din. Ito nga lang, provided that your Z is less than mod of a. So we use this second Z transform if we are evaluating a left-sided signal kagaya nung given natin. Okay, no? So ipalit lang natin guys, no? By the way, dun sa Z transform pair po, tawag dito, negative A raised to N U of N siya. Kaya lang, ang kailangan natin dito guys, as you can see, is yung positive version niya. So kung positive guys, so you just remove the negative here and you transfer at the other side. So napupunta dun yung negative. Okay? Mapupunta sa kabilang side yung negative. Okay, so ipalit lang natin guys, no? So we have 2, so we have 2 here. So we have 2, okay, raised to n, and 2 raised to n, u of negative n minus 1. So what will be is corresponding Z transform, guys. So if you apply the formula, negative 1 all over, okay, 1 minus 2 of Z raised to negative 1. So for this one, no, yung ROC natin is mod of Z is less than, okay, mod of 2, which is 2, basically. Okay. Now guys, no, so since itong dalawa yung result natin, if we will combine or we will write them together, okay, ano yung magiging final answer natin? Ano yung magiging Z transform natin, guys? So ibig sabihin, no, yung ating x of Z, yan, no? Yan, so again, hence, and what is our corresponding x of Z, no? So pag-add lang natin yung dalawang result kanina. So we have yung una, 1 all over. Okay, 1 minus 0.5 na lagay ko instead of 1 half. Okay, Z raised to negative 1. Okay, plus yung pangalawa, no? Bali minus, no? Yan, kasi negative siya. So minus 1 all over. Yan, 1 minus 2 Z raised to negative 1 also. Okay, ngayon, what will be the ROC? So we need to combine the two ROC. So greater than ng 1 half but less than 2. So that would be 1 half is less than mod of Z is less than 2. So as we can see here, no, definitely this includes unit circle, right? This includes the unit circle. Yan. So this includes the unit circle. Ano ba unit circle? 1, di ba? So kasama yung 1. Why? Because it's between 1 half and 2. Yan. So dahil it includes the unit circle, we can just simply replace, no, everything by, I mean yung Z, okay, we can just replace it with e raised to j omega. So ang magiging final answer natin would be 1 over, okay, 1 over 1 minus 0.5, okay, e raised to negative j omega. Alright? Yan. Minus, okay, we have minus. Yan. So medyo i-baba ko lang ng konti, guys. Okay. So minus, yan, no? So we have, okay, 1 over 1 minus 2, okay, e raised to negative j omega. So this is our DTFT. Okay. As you can see, no, it's very much related with the, the DTFT is very much related with the Z transform. Basta lang, we just need to make sure, guys, that the ROC of the Z transform includes the unit circle. Because if it doesn't include the unit circle, it means that the DTFT does not exist, okay? In this particular, in the particular Z transform. Okay? All right. All right. Okay. So, all right. Okay, so I think we can start the part B. Okay, no? So let's just insert a new slide, guys, for part B. So for part B, okay, for part B, so this one, more on property-based questions siya, guys, no? So very much the same, no? Ating G of N. Yan, G of N natin. So we can simply write this as 2, okay, times the quantity 1 half, okay, raised to N, U of N. Okay, so saan po nanggaling yung 2? Kasi di ba 1 half raised to n minus 1? So yung 1 half raised to negative 1 is equal sa 2, right? Ayan, no? So dun, kinuha lang natin siya. Nire-write lang natin ng maayos. Anyway, so paano po ito sagutan? Okay, we have 2 times the quantity 1/2 raised to nu of n. So definitely, no, this is a right-sided signal. And if we get the Z transform of this, okay, real quick, no? So ano yung magiging Z transform niya? So G of Z na agad ilagay ko, no? So G of Z na agad. So we have 2, okay, 2 times the quantity. Okay, no? So 1 over, okay, 1 minus 1/2 Z raised to -1. Okay? So what will be the R of C of this one? Mod of Z is greater than 1/2. And again, this includes the unit circle. This includes the unit circle, definitely. Tama. So it includes the unit circle, guys. Correct? Yes. Okay, kasi greater than 1/2, so yung ROC natin, it means kasali doon yung 1. No? Because it's from 1/2 to infinity. Parang ganun eh. So kasali yung 1. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, no? So, G of omega, okay, G of omega is simply, yan, no? So, we have, okay, ilagay ko na yung 2 sa numerator, no? So, 2 all over, yan, no? So, we have 1 minus 0.5 na lang. Okay, instead of writing Z of -1, I will write E raised to negative J omega. So, this is our, ano guys, DTFT. If you want na integer yung lahat na nandyan, you can multiply everything by 2 over 2 and that will net us or that will give us g of omega. Okay, g of omega is equal sa 4. Yan, all over. Yan, 2 minus e raised to negative j omega. Okay? Or yung sagot sa taas is pwede naman na. So para lang whole number lahat nung nandun. So that's why I wrote, I mean, minultiply natin by 2 over 2. Okay? All right. So next. Next, guys. All right. No, so last, no? So yung part C. So part C, no, we are asked to solve for the, okay, DTFT na, okay, we are asked to solve for the DTFT of h of n. So h of n is -1 raised to n g of n. All right. Okay, guys. All right. So, bale, ano, no? So, part C. Yan, no? So, we're asked to solve for the h of omega, given that the h of n, and yung h of n natin, is equal sa -1. Okay, -1 raised to n, g of n. Okay. So, again, this is a property-based question, and yung g of n natin is already given. G of omega is also given. Okay. So, yan. Recall natin guys no from advanced math. Okay, from advanced math guys. Okay? So yung advanced math no kung nare-recall pa guys. Yan. Yan. Ano ba yung ano no? Ano ba yung -1 guys? What is -1? So -1, okay, -1, okay, it can be written as actually so -1 is equivalent guys saan? E raised to okay, j pi. Tama? E raised to j pi. Yan, because e raised to j pi is, yan, -1 yan, I think, no? So, kapag sinolve natin, yan. So, that's -1. So, ibig sabihin, no? Ibig sabihin, no, ang given pala natin, kapag minodify natin, that would be, yan, h of n, yan, no? So, we have, ano, e raised to, okay, negative, no? I mean, e raised to j pi n. E raised to j pi n. J pi n g of n. Yan. So now, what property based no, what is this what is the DTFT of this if of this given? So, kukunin natin yung DTFT ng e raised to j pi n, okay, g of n. So, it's the same as okay, it's the same as getting the DTFT of ano? That is frequency shift property, no, ng DTFT. So this is simply G of, ano guys, omega minus pi. Yan, opposite sign kasi ang ano no, frequency shift property. So kapag ka nagmultiply ka ng e raised to j pi n sa kabilang side, bale itong pi natin yung omega naught, no? So this is your omega naught, guys. Ano, so omega 0. So, bale yung whatever yung omega sa kabilang side, mamamainus no? Kasi positive yun nandito sa kabilang side. So, kung kunyari, e raised to negative j pi n po ito, so ang nakalagay sa kabila, plus naman. Okay? So, and we already know, no, yung, ano, no, yung g of omega. So, yung g of omega is yung nasolve natin kanina. So, uh, we can now get actually the value of ano no we can get easily the value now of your g of omega, okay, minus pi. So kasi meron ka ng result kanina eh. So yung result natin kanina, that would be the 4 all over, okay, 2 tapos e raised to negative 2 minus e raised to negative j. Okay, no? So, yung omega kanina, mapapalitan lang ng omega minus pi. Omega minus pi. Clear? Clear, guys? Yes. This is now your h of omega. This is now your h of omega because this is your h, right? So, this is your h of n. So, this is our h of n. And the DTFT of h of n is, of course, your h of omega. Or capital letter omega, sorry. Okay. So, game. Let's try to solve, guys. Or simplify. Yan. So, hence, okay. So, yung ating h of omega, okay, ay equal sa 4 over, okay guys, we can distribute yung negative j, tama? So, this would become 2 minus e. Okay, and then we have negative j omega. Okay, e raised to positive. Okay, kasi negative negative eh. So positive j pi. Positive j pi. All right? Positive j pi. Okay? Ay, but omega j pi. And we know, guys, that e raised to j pi, what is that? That is negative 1, right? So that is negative 1. So if that is negative 1, what will be our final answer na? What would be our final answer na? So our final answer, we have 4 all over. Yeah, so we have 2 minus. Okay, kasi ano siya, no? This is negative 1, right? This is negative 1 from what we reviewed earlier. So kung negative 1 siya, so this would become plus na, no? Plus. Ayusin ko lang yung pagkakasulat, guys. So we have plus e raised to negative j omega. And that is our answer. That is our answer. Okay? All right. Oops. Okay, so malinaw? Naintindihan, guys? Yes? Yes. Yeah, no? So that's how we solve, no, the DTFT of the given discrete time signals. Okay? So now, guys, no, for your homework po, yeah, no, so this is the homework question. So solve for the DTFT of the given 5-point sequence, no? So same process lang, no, nung ginawa natin during this video. So answer the question, guys, and comment your answers, no? Okay, in the comment box. Yeah, no, so that's it, no, for this video, guys. Thank you and see you sa next video. Bye.